Okay, so this video is to help you out with multiplying decimals. You have the quiz on Friday. We want to get this taken care of now. We have 3 and 68 hundredths times 47 hundredths. We're going to multiply this. We're going to pretend that it's 368 times 47. I'm going to ignore the decimal points. Again, I have my lined paper so that I can keep my everything properly aligned in the right column. So I'm going to rewrite this as 368 times 47. Here comes the answer line. Multiply, like I've been doing for a couple of years now. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 5 is 47. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. So far I have done 368 times 7, and we got 2,576. Now I'm going to multiply 368 times 40. This 4 is in the tens place, so that's 40. Ends in a 0, so my product will end in a 0. So I put my 0 down, and I keep multiplying. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry my 3. 4 times 6 is 24, plus the 3 is 27. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. I have my partial products. I need to add them back together. I did 368 times 7. I did 368 times 40, and now I'm putting them back together. 6 and 0 is 6, 7 and 2 is 9, 5 and 7 is 12, carry my 1, 1, 2, and 4 is 7, and a 1. Now I need to figure out where my decimal point goes. So I look back at my original problem here. I have 1, 2 digits after the decimal point in the first factor. I have 1, 2 digits after the decimal point in the second factor. So 2 plus these 2 is a total of 4. So I start at the right and I come over 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and I put my decimal point there. So I get 1 and 7,296 10,000ths as my final answer. Let's do another one. 7 and 86 hundredths times 63 and 4 tenths. Remember to ignore the decimal points. Just multiply. Go ahead and pause the video and work this problem out. All right, let's see how you did. I'm going to do 786 times 634. I'm going to multiply real quick. 4 times 6 is 24, carry my 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34, carry my 3. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 is 31. Now I'm going to multiply by 30, ends in 1, 0. So my product will have 1, 0 at the end, and I multiply. 3 times 6 is 18, carry my 1. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25, carry my 2. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. So I multiplied by 30. Now I have to multiply by 600, and 600 has 2 zeros at the end. So I put 1, 2 zeros down here before I start multiplying. And I go another round here. 6 times 6 is 36. Put down the 6, carry my 3. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51. Carry my 5. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 5 is 47. Now I have to add these all together. 4, 12, carry my 1, 7 and 6 is 13, carry my 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. That's a big number. Let's figure out where the decimal point goes. 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal point. 498 and 324 thousandths. All right, check this one out. 53 and 2 tenths times 14 hundredths. Write that one down on a sheet of paper. Work it out. Pause the video. Press play when you have it done and see how well you did. All right, let's check it out. So we had 532 times 14. Your first partial product for the 532 times 4 should be 2,128. Now you're multiplying by 10. And your second partial product should be 5,320. And then you add your partial products to get 7,448. Last thing we need to do is figure out where this little decimal point goes. 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal point. So I'm going to put this guy 1, 2, 3 right there. Okay? If you still have questions, make sure you sign up for Connections. Come to Connections. We're always there to help you out. Thanks for watching.